Hi everyone, this is Brendan and Agnes from OrangeTee AAG. Today we are touring a phenomenal 3-story corner terrace located in the serene vicinity of St. Patrick's. Nested on a generous 3014 square feet of freehold land, this house offers a fantastic built-up area of 4,000 square feet. As we step into the house, your eyes are immediately drawn to the expansive living and dining area. Elegantly designed, offering a perfect blend of style and comfort. Just imagine this room filled with laughter as you share quality times with your loved ones.
And what could be more luxurious than your very own 25-meter swimming pool? This is truly the heart of the house. Visible through the vast window, it paints a picture of resort-like living every single day. Imagine dipping in on a hot day or hosting pool parties with families and friends. This isn't just a house, it's your very own private resort.
Next, we move to the kitchen. Here, we have a modern kitchen, perfect for any culinary adventure, from whipping up a quick breakfast to preparing a gourmet feast. Come, follow me outside to this charming backyard. This generous backyard is just made for creating memories, from casual BBQ dinners to festive gatherings. The property also offers 3 spacious ensuite bedrooms, ensuring utmost comfort and privacy for every member of the family, plus a home office space that provides a peaceful environment for your work from home needs.
Now let's take a walk upstairs to the master bedroom. Here's where luxury meets comfort. A generous walk-in wardrobe and the luxurious bathroom are part of this deluxe package. It's not just a bedroom, it's a personal retreat. With this stunning property, you're not just buying space. You're stepping into a location that is simply unparalleled. Accessibility is a breeze with the ECP just minutes away, and the upcoming Marine Terrace MRT station is a mere 2-minute stroll from your front door. Shopping for necessity or indulging in retail therapy? You're spoiled for choices with Katong I-12 and Parkway Parade nearby. For families with children, you're in luck. This property is within 1 kilometer of Taunan School, Nian Primary and CHIJ Katong. And as the day winds down, a leisurely 10-minute stroll leads you to the tranquil East Coast Park. There you have it, a perfect blend of comfort, luxury and convenience.
Contact us today for an exclusive home tour. This is Brandon.
And this is Agnes from AAG Landed 7772.
Your compass for landed properties.